Okay, sorry guys, I had to do another video because that video was too long. So, in the last video, I put together this, and her. So, I was going to choose which one to do. Now, I'm doing Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo. I'm going to do this off camera, though. Okay, the one that I picked was Claudine and Julia, so I'm going to put them in. Try and put them in. With the bot. Even, I don't even get off. Oh, I see. Go in here. That's how you do it. Okay. Now that I have that done, I can clean my area and get some more. So these are the two I picked out. I picked out an Adventure Time, Finn, and Angry Birds. So I'm going to set up the Adventure Time one first. I have never watched Adventure Time. I heard it's very good. This one's cool. Cause he actually swings the sword. It's like an action figure. Okay. Next one, Angry Birds. I have a question for you. In the comments, write if you've seen Angry Birds. I have. And this is a great movie. It is a movie. Now, going to get red out and put them on here, and then get this, and then shoot them. I said shoot them. There we go. Now that's down. So let's clear the area again. Got my chopping scissors. And we're going to pick out another one. I have picked out two of my favorite TV shows. Powerpuff Girls and Monster High. So I'm going to start off with Monster High. Because it was actually the first ever movie I saw. And I know all of you guys have seen it. Okay, so I don't know what we're actually supposed to do with this. It's like I see. I'm gonna keep it like this. I don't know what to do with it though. I think it's like something that... Okay, so I'm finished with the Monster High. And now I'm going to Powerpuff Girls. Yippee! Here she is. Bubbles. And next time we will unbox more.